So this is the men's Ripcord. This is a great board for all of the guys looking to get into snowboarding or looking to get a little better at snowboarding. This board is going to be flat top. What flat top does is it means that it's flat from here to here, so full edge contact with the snow, and that is going to be extremely stable. So as you're getting comfortable on snow, this board is going to do exactly what you say and just feel very stable. We've also added easy bevel to this snowboard, so that gives it a little bit of a lift at the edges to make it more catch-free. So as you're learning to turn or learning new tricks, it's going to be much harder to catch an edge and fall. So this is a great snowboard for any guy who's looking to get into snowboarding or is just looking to progress their snowboarding all over the mountain. Great way to get into it. This is the men's Process Flying V. This is a really great, versatile, true twin board that's great for the whole mountain. Flying V is going to make it a little bit more forgiving and super versatile at the same time. So with Flying V is you're gonna get rocker in between your feet, and that's gonna make it really easy to turn on a nice pivot point. And then you're also gonna get rocker in the tip and tail, and then camber under your feet. So that camber underfoot is going to give you that really strong edge hold that you need if it's hard pack or icy. So this board is really great, super versatile, perfect all mountain, one board, do everything kind of a snowboard.
The Thinkers, the Free Thinker and the Deep Thinker. These are Danny Davis's two models. Both these boards have the same materials, and one is a twin and one's a directional. And the twin is more geared towards freestyle riding and with more centered stance, so you have an equal tip and tail for riding forwards or backwards, whatever you're into. And the directional one has a setback stance by 25 millimeters, and this puts you a little bit further back on the side cut along with the taper, and this is good for all-round turning. The side cut on these boards is a little bit deeper than some of the other models we have. In addition to, the boards are a little bit stiffer, and the added stiffness with the side cut is really powerful, getting in and out of turns and holding power once you are in a turn, but it's really good on transitions as well. Danny was inspired by Craig Kelly's Mystery Air that came with a stomp pad on the board, so he decided to put stomp pads on both these models.
Kilroy program is a group of our amateur riders. We give them total control of influence in the Kilroy board. So these board shapes and board graphics come directly from the influence and feedback that we get from these riders. We've got two boards in the collection. We've got the Kilroy Process, the Kilroy Custom. Custom is the directional version. It's derived from the Burton Custom. Kids like Cy Moran and Jake Canner out of Colorado ride this board a lot. A little bit more stability on jumps. The Kilroy Process is a true twin. The pick for guys like Drew Brownrigg, Luke Winkleman. Great for everything from hitting jumps, hitting rails, for that park rider that's really trying to progress.